So here's our map of the trails. We're thinking maybe we'll hug the outside here, go up here, go over here, see the winery. Bob's gonna get drunk at the winery. Just kidding. Come back, and then maybe, I don't know, loop around here and down, something like that. Should be a fun time. Hey everybody, welcome to another adventure. Today we are here at Wayne Township Nature Park. Yep. It is near
Clinton County.
Where is it?
Clinton County, near Lock Haven.
Near Lock Haven. A lot of you probably heard of Lock Haven University.
Yeah.
That's nearby here. But we have a little road noise here early. Pretty cool trail already. As you can see, there's a few little trinkets along the way. So we're going to make a little loop here and see what we can see. Catch and release only, fishing permitted. Look at that. Poor kids ain't gonna catch nothing because I don't see a fish in there. You know, there's not a fish in there.
Only when they put them in.
So one thing, there is little trinkets and stuff all along here. A lot of them you could miss if you're not looking real. Look at this. Stuff everywhere. Welcome. Pretty cool. Everywhere. You feel a little froggy, Bob?
Yes, I do.
You know, I would guess that is a frog pond in front of us. Look, Bob, I'm the frog king.
I see that.
Pretty nice little seat. Bigfoot area. Stay on marked trail.
What size shoe do you wear? You got the Bigfoot?
Bigfoot or Bigfoot? So if you're looking for good entertainment, I would recommend this trail already, because there's so much stuff here to see. We've even passed a lot of things and seen them like from a different angle and go, oh, we didn't even know that was there. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff out here. What do you think, Bob?
Pretty good place to bring some kids and let them look at the trinkets.
Oh yeah, they spend all day here.
Yep, not allowed to take them, but you're allowed to look at them.
Yeah, very cool place.
Looks like a seating area up here.
Yeah. Look, somebody his handprint. Right?
No ringer. No ringer.
Well, look, we're in heaven. It says heaven. Wow, pretty cool. That calls for a beautiful out here. I see something down in the woods. Ooh.
What do we have here, Dave?
Wow. Bigfoot. And he's got big feet. And he's pretty tall. Pretty big. Our new buddy.
Yeah, we got a Bigfoot sighting. I'm not gonna mention any names.
Very cool.
Nice new bridge.
Yeah, it is. Uh-oh. That guy lost his head. I'm blue. Double D, double do. I'm blue.
So let me help you a little.
Wow. Another beautiful spot.
Ah,
Oh, these are nice.
nice and comfortable. I could sit here a while.
And the sun's showing.
Yeah. Probably a couple of trinkets around here if we walk.
Probably is.
It seems like every place you sit down, they're around.
Well, whose home do you think that is? I don't think Bigfoot would fit in there though.
No.
He'd have to really be hunkered down. But he has a chandelier.
Yes, he does. Somebody's got a chandelier.
Well, it looks like you might fit in there, Bob.
Yeah, all 5'10" and a couple inches of me. Anybody saw Ducky had?
Another spot for picnic.
Yeah. Bench looks comfortable.
Oh, it's kind of scary here. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. That's well done.
Very nice carving.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Very cool. Very cool.
Well done.
Yeah. Just everywhere you look, there's something. There's a greenfish.
Blends in well.
You gonna walk through, Bob?
I don't see a good,
If it's summertime, I would.
yeah. I don't have a backpack because I want to keep soft too.
One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish.
Two orange, a green, and a...
That looks like the Travelocity guy. The gnome. That's cool air. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. There's another. I'm blue, double D, double down. Of course, it looks like he could be hurting there a little bit. I don't. Wait a minute. What's going on there? Pretty cool. But over here, I noticed. Very hard to see, but look at that. Skeleton man. Oh. Oh. Are you seeing pink elephants? Or is that a heffalump? Wow. Pretty cool. You just never know. Little bit of everything there.
Got any money due to wishing well?
Right there.
Yeah, that'd be awful small.
Some thick woods here.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a butterfly. What in the world?
Half a moon.
What is that? Oh, that's a Halloween. Oh, and oh, oh. Well, I believe this is their butterfly garden. Being that it's February, I don't think we will see any butterflies. But very nice. Anyway.
There's a butterfly.
Yeah, you're right. There is a butterfly. Wow. The kiss of the sun for pardon, the song of the bird for mirth. One is nearer God's heart in a garden than anywhere else on earth. Pretty cool dragonfly. And there we have a butterfly. And there, oh, we have a poor angel. Angel broke its wing. I wonder what that angel did wrong when it broke its wing. Take these broken wings. Do 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 do. I heard the bells on Christmas Day. Ah.
Butterfly.
Another butterfly. I am going to have to say it again. Beautiful. Rubber ducky, you're the one. Anybody in there? Is there anybody in there? I don't know, we can see here. I don't know what it is. There's just so much here to see. So Bob and I are almost back to the parking lot.
we can see it from here.
One thing I gotta say about this place, if you were a little down and out or depressed, you could come out here and I'll guarantee you there's something here gonna make you smile.
No doubt
I
about
must have
it.
smiled 100 times seeing different little trinkets, and it's really a beautiful spot. So
And they did a lot of singing.
you might not, I might edit that out, but we'll see. But anyway, as always, thank you all for coming along. God bless all of you, and we're praying for all of you. See you in the next adventure.
Goodbye.
Bye. And remember,
Like, share, and subscribe.